Ready to send to the Kobra X this cover holder for the ACE Pro 2. I'm printing it in PETG, and I've already done one of these pieces in ABS to test the Kobra S1 Max. Now printing on the Kobra X with PETG. And here the Kobra X printing the ACE Pro 2 cover holder. I have already another piece printed in ABS. It was quite good. Now I'm printing a mirrored part of it in PETG to stand to my other ACE Pro 2 that I have, the one standing here beside at the S1, the standard old regular S1. And here the support for the ACE Pro 2 in PETG is done. Can test it now. Let's see if it works as intended. It should go directly here into the far end like this, and yeah, this part should hold the lid. Oh, yeah, with one hand, while filming is not really easy. Yeah, let's do like this. And oh yeah, see, yeah, it's worked. Perfect, very good.